Let's talk about how to use a foam roller on your quads. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a foam roller. I left a link in the description if you need one. You're going to take that foam roller, put it down on the ground. Then you're going to get into what looks like a plank position. Make sure that the foam roller makes contact with your quad. And then from here, once you're compressing, you're going to go back and forth. If you can't get the entire length of the muscle, then you're going to divide it in sections. So get that muscle. If you want a little more pressure, a little more intensity, bring your heel in towards your butt. That's going to get the muscle on a stretch as you compress with the foam roller. Then when you're done, you can switch to the other side, because that's all you need to know about how to use a foam roller on your quads.